A number of Bali Starlings were released in 2018 in the Melinggih Kelod village, Bali, Indonesia. How have they adjusted to the new habitat? The Bali Starling likes fruits that are soft in texture like the papaya and are observed to hunt insects and even small geckos frequently as a source of protein. Aside from the nest boxes set by the foundation, wild Bali Starlings are also known to build nests in the crevices of coconut trees to rear their young. Both the papaya and coconut trees are abundant within the Melinggih Kelod village. Additional natural food resources such as the white mango and figs are also found within the area. It seems that the individuals that stayed behind had also adapted to the area, feeding on planted berries and using taps as sources of water, sharing the environment peacefully with humans, pet birds, and dogs. Further from the village is a valley enclosing the Aarong River, a popular tourist destination for rafting, and home to a number of native bird species. While birds of prey and swiftlets source the skies of the valley, the treetops, canopy, and understory in the forest are home to a number of forest-dwelling species. Here, we can find many species of birds, including competitors of the Bali Starling, such as green pigeons and bulbuls, which are also frugivores. Meanwhile, other mammals such as the horsefield tree shrew and long-tailed macaque could be found in this region as well. The range of the released starlings seems to be bustling with life. Hopefully the starlings will continue to thrive in the community in the future.